All right, we're here to look at the Bitcoin price. And if you like crypto going up, you are going to absolutely love this video. What I'm looking at here right now is the daily Bitcoin chart. I'm going to switch to the weekly and remind us of where we were just a few months ago back in October. We had some lows that were way down here. Let me draw a line, something like that, that were way down here, right around 26,000, 27,000, etc. And since then, of course, you've been watching, the Bitcoin market has shot up, reaching a high of almost 40,000 in just 2 months. And we were playing with this trend line drawn on the weekly chart that was just watching that price go higher and higher and higher. Okay. Now, in December, we started seeing some weakness in the crypto world, in the crypto markets, and that was all across the board, including Bitcoin. This is a weekly chart. It was fully red last week. So we started asking the question, how far will crypto go down? And there was some concern, and I made it very clear on these videos, that if it broke, this is that weekly trend line I had drawn. If it broke this trend line, there was some concern that price would fall and continue to fall in Bitcoin. Now, there was never a concern long term, and there was never a concern that we were going to completely lose, fall to the bottom. There was going to be some retracement, some breathing in and out from the natural movements of the market, especially after you've seen price go as high as it had in just a couple of weeks. So I had removed this line right here. This is the trend line, and had drawn something like this. You can kind of see it. It's a downward channel, which indicated it was drawn from the highs of the days and the lows of the day. And you could clearly see we were finding lower highs and lower lows, which was indication of price falling, which is exactly what it did. Now, again, there was never any big concern that we were going to be back at 30,000, but I didn't want to see Bitcoin give up this level right here, which was a little bit above 40,000, because then there was a lot of room for it to continue to fall down to about 38. And I just didn't, after all the time we've waited and after enjoying that magnificent run up, I surely did not want to see Bitcoin starting to give back its gains that it had worked so hard to get. But looking at the chart today, you can see now we have broken out above this downward channel. We are sitting at a little over 43.5 right now, and it looks like crypto is finding some more momentum to challenge its most recent highs. The high on this day was 44,291. That's today. It could still continue to go up and break that high, but we are challenging this high in December and this high in December, which is fantastic. So far, the markets have behaved beautifully for the price to continue to go up. It did fall a little bit, just breathing, gaining some momentum, taking a rest, just like everything in nature does. But look at it today, a nice green candle. When I looked just a few minutes ago, we were over 44,000, which is so fantastic to see. And some of the other sources I've been following have indicated that January is going to be a pretty good month for crypto, and some are even calling for 48,000 to be challenged up here at this level, 48,245, somewhere around there, sometime in January. How good would that be? And everything is, look, the market is behaving perfectly for that. Like I said, the run up, the natural decline, now it's breaking and starting to challenge those highs. Look at the weekly. I love these candlesticks here. A nice big green candle, a big red candle that shows, oh goodness, price is falling off. Nope, look at this week, straight back up with the green. If we can finish this week around where we are now, next week, or at least the week after, here in the next couple of weeks, would not surprise me to see price continue on up to 48,000 in Bitcoin. Fantastic. Y'all keep coming back, stay updated. I'll keep you updated on these videos. Come on back anytime you can. Take care.